here at Suman Clarin.
This is Tita Barla. Tita Barla Loving Life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya!
Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay.
Bagong teacher.
Hello everyone, good morning. This is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. Kumusta kayong lahat? And then today is June 27. Actually, dalawang area tayo ngayon. I'll be showing you, showing pa ha. I'll be showing you the two houses of native snacks dito sa aming lugar. First is the Suman, House of Suman sa Clarin, isang bayan yon. And the other one is the House of Sikwati sa Jimenez naman. We're here at Suman Clarin. We have passed this place so many times, pero ngayon lang talaga namin nag-stop over kami ng dahil lang sa aming pinsan. Actually, nandito lang siya sa highway, national highway. Nagulat ako na pagpasok ko, ang dami-daming klase ng suman. May suman de pinya, suman ube, suman chocolate, kung ano-ano, suman mangga, kung basta madami pa. And then there are also some mga native delicacies. Meron ding may pa-consignment na mga ano nila, ang tawag doon sa otop, yung mga local products. Basta kumbaga native snacks.
Ito Barla, unsa na imo? Sikwati ko to. Unsa may imo mo? Tulad tagod mo daw. Nakuha na siya bud.
Ganitong oras, mga 6:30 kami dito. Ang dami na palang tao. Kasi nag-open sila 5:30 AM. So, madami na ding pumipili. Ito daw suman. Everyday talaga nila niluluto. So, they also have some palamig, oh. Yan, sarap niya. Kuha na to balik dire. Dire ang Sikwati. Habang ba ako'y nag-i-edit nito, naalala ko lang na hindi lahat ng tao okay. So everyday meron din silang mga silent battles. Kumbaga, you don't have to fix everything in just one day. Take the small step and let someone in, a family or a friend. Basta at least malabas mo. Alam nyo, this won't last forever. Storm passes and you'll come out with new strength. Fall 7 times, stand up 8 times. O, diba? Kumbaga sa bawat pagsubok, mas tumitibay ka. Pray, be happy. Kung nagva-vlog ka, hindi mo kailangan ilahat-lahat na yung downside mo. Ayan, snacks muna tayo. Suman at saka Sikwati. So, hello again. Today is November 6 and we are here in Nelly's House of Sikwati.
Nelly, House of Sikwati.
It's another venue and another place, and then dito lang din ito sa may National Highway sa side ng may gasoline station, Sea Oil. So dati pa itong store na to is nalaman ko na sila daw ang pinakamasarap, kumbaga real na tabliya. So, and then later on, siguro, nag-build up sila ng pang snacks. So, ito yung Nelly's House of Sikwati. And they also serve some Filipino snacks, Filipino delicacies, na ang iba daw is for consignment. This is located in Jimenez, Misamis Occidental, basta highway na mayroong Sea Oil. The five of us ordered sikwati para matry natin. We also tried the suman and some native snacks. So ayan, busog na kami. Inaantok na ako at ayan, bundat ang ating tiyan. Thank you so much everyone for watching. God bless. Have a nice week ahead and see you on my next vlog. Goodbye. Tita Barla here.